In the rapidly evolving landscape of personal transportation, electric vehicles, EVs, and petrol cars stand as two prominent choices, each with distinct advantages and drawbacks. The transition from traditional internal combustion engine (ICE) vehicles to electric vehicles is driven by numerous factors, including environmental concerns, technological advancements, economic considerations, and consumer preferences. Environmental impact. One of the most significant differences between electric and petrol cars lies in their environmental impact. Petrol cars, which run on fossil fuels, emit a variety of pollutants including carbon dioxide, nitrogen oxides, and particulate matter. These emissions contribute to air pollution, global warming, and various health issues. Petrol vehicles have been a major source of urban air pollution, contributing to smog formation and respiratory problems among city dwellers. The burning of fossil fuels in internal combustion engines releases large amounts of CO2, a greenhouse gas that significantly contributes to climate change. Moreover, petrol cars emit nitrogen oxide, which can lead to the formation of ground-level ozone, causing various health issues such as asthma and bronchitis. Electric cars, on the other hand, produce zero tailpipe emissions, which means they do not directly contribute to air pollution in urban areas. This characteristic is particularly beneficial in densely populated cities where air quality is a major concern. However, it is important to consider the full lifecycle emissions of EVs, including the production of electricity used to charge them and the manufacturing processes involved in battery production. The environmental benefits of EVs are maximized when the electricity used is generated from renewable sources such as wind, solar, or hydroelectric power. In regions where electricity is predominantly generated from coal or other fossil fuels, the environmental advantage of EVs may be reduced, but they still generally have a lower overall carbon footprint compared to petrol cars. Furthermore, advancements in battery recycling and sustainable manufacturing practices are expected to enhance the environmental benefits of EVs over time. Cost of ownership. The cost of ownership is a crucial factor for consumers when choosing between electric and petrol cars. This includes the initial purchase price, fuel costs, maintenance expenses, and potential government incentives. Initial purchase price. Historically, electric cars have been more expensive than their petrol counterparts due to the high cost of battery production. However, prices have been decreasing as battery technology improves and economies of scale are achieved. Governments around the world also offer various incentives such as tax rebates, subsidies, and grants to encourage the adoption of EVs, which can significantly offset the initial purchase cost. For instance, in the United States, federal tax credits for electric vehicles can amount to several $1,000s, making EVs more affordable for consumers. Fuel costs. Electricity is generally cheaper than petrol on a per-mile basis. The cost to charge an electric vehicle is influenced by local electricity rates, which tend to be more stable compared to fluctuating petrol prices. Additionally, many EV owners can charge their vehicles at home, potentially taking advantage of off-peak electricity rates. Over time, the savings on fuel costs can be substantial, making EVs more economical in the long run. Maintenance costs. Electric vehicles typically have lower maintenance costs than petrol cars. This is because EVs have fewer moving parts, no oil changes, and less wear on components such as brakes due to regenerative braking systems. Petrol cars require regular maintenance such as oil changes, air filter replacements, and more frequent brake servicing. The simpler mechanical structure of EVs translates to fewer visits to the mechanic and lower overall maintenance expenses. Range. Petrol cars generally have a longer range compared to most electric vehicles. A full tank of petrol can provide a range of 300 to 500 miles, while many electric cars offer ranges between 150 to 300 miles on a full charge. However, advancements in battery technology are closing this gap, with some high-end EVs now offering ranges exceeding 400 miles. Acceleration and driving experience. Electric vehicles are renowned for their instant torque delivery, which translates to quick acceleration from a standstill. This feature makes EVs highly responsive and enjoyable to drive. Petrol cars, while capable of high performance, typically do not deliver power as instantaneously as electric motors. The seamless and quiet operation of electric vehicles also enhances the overall driving experience, providing a smoother and more refined ride. Refueling and charging. Refueling a petrol car is quick, typically taking just a few minutes at a petrol station. In contrast, charging an electric vehicle takes longer. The time required to charge an EV can range from 30 minutes at a fast-charging station to several hours with a standard home charger. However, for many EV owners, charging overnight at home provides a full charge by morning, which is sufficient for daily driving needs. Charging infrastructure. The availability of charging stations is a key consideration for potential EV buyers. While the charging infrastructure is rapidly expanding, it is not yet as ubiquitous as petrol stations. Urban areas tend to have better charging infrastructure compared to rural regions. The development of fast charging networks is crucial to improving the convenience of long-distance travel in electric vehicles. Companies like Tesla have pioneered extensive supercharger networks, and many other automakers and energy companies are following suit to build comprehensive charging networks. Model availability. The variety of electric vehicle models has increased significantly in recent years, with many major automakers offering electric options across different segments, from compact cars to SUVs and luxury vehicles. Petrol cars still offer a wider range of models and options, but the gap is narrowing as the market for EVs grows. Manufacturers like Tesla, Nissan, and BMW are leading the charge in expanding their electric vehicle lineups. Practicality. For many consumers, the practicality of daily use is a deciding factor. Electric cars are particularly well-suited for city driving and short commutes due to their efficiency and zero emissions. However, for those who frequently undertake long journeys or live in areas with limited charging infrastructure, petrol cars may currently be more practical. Technological advancements. Continued improvements in battery technology are expected to enhance the range, reduce the cost, and shorten the charging times of electric vehicles. Developments in solid-state batteries, for example, promise higher energy densities and greater safety compared to current lithium-ion batteries. Additionally, advancements in autonomous driving technologies are likely to be integrated more rapidly into electric vehicles. The integration of smart grid technology and vehicle-to-grid (V2G) capabilities will also enhance the role of EVs in the broader energy ecosystem. Sustainability and climate goals. Governments worldwide are setting ambitious targets for reducing greenhouse gas emissions and promoting sustainable transportation. Policies such as banning the sale of new petrol and diesel cars by certain dates, EG 2030 in the UK, are driving the shift towards electric vehicles. These policies are complemented by investments in renewable energy, which further enhance the environmental benefits of EVs. The transition to electric vehicles is seen as a critical component of achieving national and international climate goals, reducing dependency on fossil fuels and improving air quality. Market trends. Consumer preferences are increasingly shifting towards environmentally friendly and technologically advanced vehicles. The rising awareness of climate change and the benefits of reduced air pollution are influencing purchasing decisions. As electric vehicles become more affordable and the charging infrastructure expands, their market share is expected to grow significantly. Conclusion. The debate between electric and petrol cars encompasses a wide range of factors, each influencing the overall decision for consumers. Electric vehicles offer substantial environmental benefits, lower fuel and maintenance costs, and a compelling driving experience with instant torque and quiet operation. Petrol cars, while currently offering greater range and quicker refueling times, contribute significantly to environmental pollution and have higher long-term maintenance costs. They also face an uncertain future as regulatory pressures and market trends increasingly favor electric vehicles. That's all for today. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos. Till then, take care. Thanks for watching.